Hi, I'm Dr. Kem. I'm a trauma and orthopedic surgery doctor, and this is the Learn How to Suture series with the House of Medics. Today I'm going to be going through how to perform a horizontal mattress suture. This is a horizontal mattress suture used to close skin wounds. And again, in my profession, we use it for the last layer of wound closure after any of the procedures that we may perform. All you need to perform this suture technique is included in the House of Medics suture kit. So to start off with, we're going to get your needle and needle holder and position it as we've done previously, with your needle holder at about 2/3 the distance from the tip of the needle holder, and have it perpendicular to the needle holder itself. Now, to perform the suture, we're going to perform the first suture pass as we have done with any other simple interrupted suture. So grab the skin edge, tip the needle at 90 degrees to the skin and pass it through. And use the curve of the needle to advance it through the skin. And pull your thread through so that you have an appropriate length to tie with afterwards. So you're going to remount your needle and as we've done previously with the vertical mattress suture, we're going to perform a backhand suture pass. So once you've mounted your needle, you're going to loosen the needle holder using your forceps. Tilt the needle 180 degrees so that the tip is facing downwards. Now, instead of your next suture entry point being more proximal to the wound or closer to the wound edge, you're going to come down to pass your suture through. And again, you're going to be using the curve of the needle to advance it through. And then you're going to tie off your suture material. So as we've done previously, 2 throws of the thread over the needle holder, grab the loose end of thread and pull. And you're going to cross your hands over and pull with the suture. And this will close the wounds together. Where your thread becomes loose, what you can do is, once you've tightened, bring the loose thread back up to the other side, and that helps just to keep everything tight. Then you're going to perform your second throw. And last throw. And then you're going to cut your sutured material, not too short, so it enables whoever is going to remove the suture to find the thread. So I'll perform it one more time with you. Again, mount your needle 2/3 the distance from the tip of the needle. Gonna make a suture pass, one side and to the other. Remount your needle with the point facing down to perform a backhand throw, backhand suture pass. You want to bring your suture pass out at approximately the same level as you've gone in with your original suture pass. Once again, you're going to tie 2 throws, sometimes you need to be careful with the thread. And if that's not working, you can grab your clip and then pull through as you have done before to bring it together. Second throw. And one more. And then cut. That is how you perform the horizontal mattress suture. To get your own House of Medic suture kit, click on the link in the description below. Like and subscribe to the videos and stay tuned for the next tutorial.